Hello, my name is Sans Ritchie. I'm the Territory Sales Manager for Amprobe. I've been working in the field of test and measurement for 26 years. Here we have the Amprobe MO100 milliohm 100, and this is a portable battery-operated milliohm meter. What this lets you do is quickly check windings, opens and shorts in motors, generators, transformers, but also wire-to-wire connections. One of the things about a milliohm meter is while your multimeter can measure ohms and low ohms, the current that it uses to measure that resistance is very low. Whereas a milliohm meter will pull out a much higher current, and by using a higher current we can measure down into the micro ohms, and this is how you really test if the connections are tight enough. You can actually use the milliohm meter, measure a connection, and if it's loose and as you tighten it you will actually see the resistance go down. So the Amprobe MO100 has several different ranges, starting with a 200 milliohm range. That gets us down into 100 microohms worth of resolution. It has a 200 milliohm, a 2 ohm, a 200 ohm, and a 2000 ohm. And depending on which range you're in, it will use a different amount of resistance to drive through it. One of the beautiful things about Amprobe products is they make it very easy to use. When I'm out in the field, I just want to kind of grab something and use it. If you notice that the input terminals are color-coded, the test leads that plug into those are the same color. So you simply take the leads that you need to plug in the green one into the green one, the red one into the red one. Why we need 4 wires instead of 2 wires is when you're measuring resistance, if you're using only 2 wires, the resistance of the leads are going to be in that circuit. And when we're measuring milliohms and microohms, we don't want the resistance of the leads to affect what we're measuring. So what this uses is a 4-wire technique. The 2 outer wires provide the current. The 2 inner wires actually take the measurement, so by using a 4-wire ohm measurement instead of a 2-wire ohm measurement, we eliminate that lead resistance and measure only the resistance that's across the contact. It also has a long and a short test, depending on if you need a quick answer or you really want to kind of drive the current through the contact for a little while to make sure it's really solid. Another nice thing about Amprobe products is when you have a more complicated instrument like this, they put a decal right in the cover. So this cover tells you that it's battery powered, what the indicators mean, what preliminary checks to do when you first turn it on, how to connect and how to operate. So this is a box that you can just grab, go out in the field and use, and get micro-ohm measurements that you would normally need to do within a test lab. For more information, please contact your TEquipment test and measurement specialist.